Well, you can still see some of it. Dog crossing.
Yeah. Trying to figure out, is that actually copper?
I wonder if it is.
But the thing is, there's a lot of them. I mean, I don't know.
Like
if
every third one or something.
Yeah. So,
Like you talking about.
these fence posts and then on top,
Oh yeah.
that's pretty expensive fence posts if it's truly copper. In fact, is you kind of wonder.
Someone come and take it.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Yeah, kind of like a development.
Yeah.
Because I saw a couple of them that were called ranch. I think like they're out like in Arizona, now. They're actually are development. So I didn't know about here. A real range.
Oh gosh. Yeah.
You have to have a car in towns.
Yeah.
You have a mud car or a dirt car.
It's kind of weird color.
Yeah, it is. For, being
yeah,
especially rural,
Yeah, anyways.
7.8, road twist downhill. Well, of course, now we're going uphill with beautiful mountain views and intersects with better camp road T60, great camp spot to the right, which would have been to the left. 8.4 cross broad talus slopes.
Is this the camp
This
spot?
must be the camps.
Oh, yeah.
It actually goes this
Let's
way.
turn right.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it says turn left, but turn right.
Camping down there.
It's aspen.
What?
So lots of aspen. These are all aspen trees.
Hey, Terry. Well, we're in the mountains in Colorado right now. I'm surprised you could even get a hold of me. Yeah. It's raining right now, though. Oh, is that right?
This pine tree. It's old.
No kidding. Huh. So has it been hot? Okay. Wow. Have you golfed there yet?
The rocks are so cool.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Where'd you play at? Oh, okay. When did you play? Sunday morning? Well, I thought Dan was going to leave Sunday. Oh, okay. I must have misunderstood. Huh. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, he did send me an email. I noticed he didn't copy anybody else, which is fine. And he said that the cost would be, he figured the cost would be approximately $25,000 per couple, which I thought it'd be right around that. And now the one thing, there's a few questions I had I didn't get a chance to ask him, but he at least in there he talked about doing 3 separate safaris, 3 to 4 days, and it just seemed like an awful lot of safaris. Yeah, I would think so. Yeah, because if you go for 14 days and if you take 3 to 4 safaris, it doesn't leave too much time left. And
Oh, look at this.
oh yeah. Oh. guess the one thing also was a little concerning was that they, at least in the email, Dick thought we had a book by the end of August, which is kind of
I think that's just, there's actually like a little, like a house up there.
okay.
Where do we go up?
Yeah, I guess the thing is, not being able to be there and talk together as a group and just having the one meeting, that's I guess concerns me a little bit, so. Yeah. But I guess we'll just have to, I guess what I'm getting at is, I was kind of figuring, we'd give some preliminary information and wouldn't have to probably make a decision until we got there, probably, like in fall for the following March or April, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. Well, no. Oh, okay. Yeah. So, I don't know. We were thinking, well, maybe we should go the following, like in 2021 or something like that, when we'd have a chance to be all down there together. I don't know. Now, does everybody seem to be in at this point? Oh, okay. Okay. Sure. Yeah, I guess it. Yeah. Okay. All right. Sure. Okay. Okay. Well, I guess we'll just, I guess that's the one thing that's a little bit concerned. Seems like a little bit of a rush to me. That's the only thing. Now, since we haven't been right there, I don't know, maybe we feel a little bit uncomfortable about it. That's the only thing, but, Sure. Okay. And sure. Okay. Yeah, yeah. I guess, like I said, it's a little bit, I guess in our mind we thought, okay, we're not going to be able to be down there and be in this meeting, and being able to kind of kick around thoughts back and forth. And certainly we could, like I did have you input it in the email, but we kind of figured, well, okay, we'll probably have to book, 6-7 months in advance. I didn't realize we'd have to book this far. So,
GoPro is still recording, right?
Yep.
yeah. Sure. And you could still, I suppose once you make a deposit, well, you're kind of committed. That would be the thing, unless you, yeah, okay. Well, okay. Yeah, I know that, I'm sure we're going to buy it just because you just never know. Especially when you're talking about that kind of money, boy, you need to be out, $25,000. Okay, all right.
Oh no. What's happening?
Yeah, no, I was surprised Dick answered because he just his answers were just to me, and so I haven't really communicated anything to Dick directly other than what he sent to me. Yeah. Oh, okay. That's what. Yeah. We're on a road here, and there's two cars meeting, and neither one is going. So I don't know if the road is wide enough or what exactly is going on. So maybe it is raining, so maybe they're telling them what the road is like ahead. I'm not really sure what the issue is. So. Yeah, I'm even surprised because it's raining, and what's our elevation, Russ?
10,200 feet.
We're at like 10,200 feet, and I'm surprised you got a hold of me. Yeah. I guess, yeah. Well, this guy's backing up, and they're trying to figure out how to turn around. And, yeah.
Oh, are they spinning?
No. My son's driving. Yeah, I went since it's his Jeep. I think I'm gonna. I'll let him drive. I'll drive on the way out here and the way back as much as he wants me to. Okay. All right. Sure. Yeah. Well, anything I communicate, I would definitely include you and probably include everybody. So that's why, like I say, I was a little surprised that Dick sent me it, which is, is fine. I thought, well, maybe the guy said, well, Dick, why don't you do it or something like that, or at least why he didn't include everybody. Just, okay. I'm going to have to let you go because I got to try to help Ross back up. Sorry. Okay, I'll talk to you later, Dick. All right, bye. Or Terry, bye. Okay. What is this? I guess I'm not quite understanding what's maybe it isn't white enough. Right now, you've got about a good 2 feet on this side.
Okay.
Now, if you start backing up, it gets narrow. That's the problem.
Yeah.
And don't slip.
You may want to back up and then kind of see, but you've got at least 2 feet. Yeah. I'm trying to figure out.
I think he's maybe trying to get him close over enough so that we can pass.
Yeah. Maybe that's it. Almost seems like we can pass now. I don't know.
Yeah.
Doesn't.
guidance on how to navigate it.
Yeah. Yeah, because right here where you're at presently, you got about 3 feet.
Even on that side. Okay.
And on this side, yeah.
All right.
Did she want to talk to you?
Yeah, no problem. No worries. I wonder if your tires aren't the best.
How did we turn around? I guess they just came from there.
Yeah,
They might have come from.
the other side is what you're
Gotcha.
saying.
There's
A vehicle of some sort. What did you say the elevation? 10,800? Yeah, the max here.
Okay.
the car's gonna be really muddy after this.
This one?
1,600.
Oh, okay. I can't say I've had like traction wise. It was a little hairy right before we got to them, or right where they were stopped.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
But I've had pretty good traction.
is there an extra plug in there? We got a low battery.
Yeah, there is. This one.
Is that, I just didn't want to take some of these. Alright. Yeah.
Slip down in my butt. Super is good.
Oh my. You know, it makes this road like probably pretty easy, like kind of really scary. Oh, it's raining.
Like they're shooting the side. Should we really be doing this? They started going down over there. Can you tell?
I cannot see it out of the back. Is there windshield wipers in the back?
just gotta.
Okay, good.
That'd be a pretty ugly puddle.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So
If anybody that's here can get through this thing, any like these other cars.
yeah.
Yeah, doesn't it say in there something about in dry it's an easy, but in wet conditions?
Well, there was a sign at least that says, well, maybe it says it in here too. What does it say? You'll see congestion chain. Easy rutted dirt road suitable for high clearance to drive when dry. Slick clay can be passable when wet, even for four-wheel drive vehicles. And let's see. So we are at 21.
Here. 10.8.
Change
Because we passed the summer, I'm sure.
Okay.
For that.
And I don't know if they've come to like 10.3 says continue. Well, there's some
Yeah, that was that Whipple. One was Whipple.
Was there Alder Creek?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, we're past that. Okay,
Yeah.
that was at 10.3. The next thing, I'll just have to reverse everything. Bear left. This is at
Yep.
14.3. It looks like 14.3. Bear left and cross Small Creek. Let's hope it's still small.
Is that coming up?
Yeah,
Oh.
but not until probably 4 miles.
Oh, okay.
Can you imagine though, if you did get stuck up here? I don't know when. Like, what are you gonna do? You know, this tow truck. I don't know. Yeah.
I almost need another four-wheel drive. I mean,
Yeah.
I do have straps and stuff.
Or
for,
you do? You actually
you know,
do?
having some, I don't have a winch, of course, but I do have 2 straps. You know, either get
I mean, it's
pulled
not
out
like
or pull
raining
someone else.
all that hard.
Yeah.
I mean, it's raining, you know.
It was actually kind of raining, starting to pick up back there.
But, okay.
I don't know if you saw it kind of flowing down the trail.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that one section they were at, I was like, ooh, I don't know if I want to lose momentum here.
Yeah, that was a little scary. Was that like before or after it was flowing down?
It was, I mean, we had seen it flowing for quite a while,
Oh, okay. Yeah, that was kind of
but then the ruts were getting deeper. It's kind of a fun road. I wasn't expecting this to be kind of single lane, so there's some
yeah. It got there. And it wasn't before, but
Yeah.
now it kind of is.
How much
Yeah.
time was on the camera, Amelia? About an hour and 44?
Yeah.
Oh, we haven't been.
Is it recording?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Well, it's been at 1 for so long. Why? How much of Australia do we have left?
Well,
Probably
let's
9
see.
miles because I'm down
So-
11.4.
So a little bit over halfway. Chris said
jeez.
the easy part was kind of at the. Now maybe the other. Yeah,
I bet you the other end's easy too.
I mean, yeah, I feel like this is getting easier
Might
already.
be. Unless he just did right to turn.
Yep.
What kind of vehicle is in front of us?
Land Rover
Land Rover.
discovered.
Oh.
Grandpa used to have one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Like-
remember that.
Do you actually remember that?
Well,
Yellow?
I remember people talking about it.
You probably actually had that similar type roll kit, like thing on top, but you didn't even.
I had to
have-
take it off. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, or not only take, I had to take it back because I even told him at the time when I saw it, I was thinking, I don't know if I get that.
Did it have a ladder on the back, kind of like that? Do you remember? Probably it's hard to remember. He's kind of. It looks like he's got kind of.
I think I did. You know, of course, I've only had it. I think I just literally almost took it right back. Well, probably the next day for sure.
Huh.
Because I already, I told him, I said, I don't think I can get that in the car, in the garage. Well, you did, but he said if you can't, you know, they give me full credit.
Oh, okay. Because it wasn't just part of the thing, or was it like an add-on?
I think
or?
I did add on.
Oh.
Yeah, I suppose they could have said, well, you should have checked it out. But, unless, I suppose there could have been a possibility, since that was kind of a special, we call it the Kalahari edition.
Yeah. Yeah.
And so maybe that was just possibly standard on there. I don't know.
Not really worth stopping since it's kind of
Yeah.
In some regards, I almost kind of like to be within eyesight of another.
Yeah.
Although I think we're kind of in the downhill's probably better than uphill.
I should have looked at my. I'm surprised he got a hold of me because I didn't even sure.
Yeah.
And now I guess they do actually show 3 bars. I suppose it's just a
What kind of, like, service do you have?
Verizon.
Oh, okay, that's why it's so good. Is it Verizon the best?
I think so.
Yeah.
They have the best coverage.
Yeah. Especially, like, all the way up here.
Although, like, when we were. There was a few that I started getting pretty good service.
Really? Mine just...
Was it Alta Lakes?
I haven't had service the whole entire day.
Now, for some reason, maybe it's because it's England. I mean, seems like all these, safari, you see a lot of. Land
Oh, yeah,
Rover.
definitely.
And I don't know if that's because they're English. They were English countries,
I don't know.
why you wouldn't have Jeeps as well.
What's the, like, orange line on there?
Well, one I'm following and one I'm making.
Well, aren't you following, like, a black line, kind of?
Well, then there's that too. Yeah, the orange is the trail I downloaded.
Oh, so why isn't it matched up with?
Well, it's just like how mine's not matching up.
Oh. Those. Oh, that'd be so. So you're not matching up, or the other one is?
Well, a little bit of both.
It's so weird how they match. Look how off it went.
What do you mean, like tilted or? Oh yeah, see that? Yeah. No, it's because I don't have service. Or actually, maybe the trees kind of
Yeah.
mess up with, interfere with the GPS signal.
Maybe they kind of don't have you on for a while, and they have you, and they try to take the shortest. I don't know.
Oh yeah, I just did that just now.
Yeah, yeah, usually like
That's weird.
so yeah, my trail's no better than
Yeah.
So now, you said there was like somebody else's trail on there or something?
well, I think right when I pulled off, I said I actually downloaded it from the funtracks.com.
Oh,
From they actually supply you the trails. You can download into this app
okay.
in addition to the book. So just kind of nice. And strangely enough, usually it has. Well, I guess it only has the major waypoints. How many are there?
In this book here?
Well, on my on here, it has the same waypoints as here, but the numbered ones, supposedly. Like the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, yeah, this one's gonna maybe 1, 2, yeah, like you say, 6. I guess it's got 6. 1, 2,
Yeah.
3, 4,
Supposedly it
5,
has
6.
those, yeah.
What are you at? Oh, you're still a ways to go to get to 14. Seems to have stopped reading anyway.
It actually has stopped, I think, yeah. Just gonna slip into it. Cattle crossing.
See, this is where I consider a cattle guard or a cat.
Which is so stuffed with mud.
It doesn't hardly seem like you're bumping. It made it smooth though.
Yeah.
Boy, this seems pretty sloppy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
this
does.
is.
See, look at him.
Oh no. Why is he like sliding along?
Kind of going sideways. Alright, we're gonna slow down here.
We're kind of sliding.
Yeah.
But then maybe the other
Although
roads,
this is the only one I've read where it gets really slippery.
oh, that's what I was going to say. The big difference is the mud. So maybe
Yeah.
even the other roads might have been harder, or it would have been much more difficult
Yeah.
because of the